Hello everyone, I want to tell you something. You may not even imagine that technology and AI will reach this level. Just look at this clip. So, can you guess how these 3D characters are made? Who is the artist of these 3D characters? Here is the game changer, guys. These characters are created by artificial intelligence. It is almost impossible to tell which is your real artist creation or which is your computer generated AI. So today I'm going to introduce you to the 𝗬𝗵𝘁𝗍 AI technology. Now it is possible to create 3D character or any 3D art in just a few clicks. With the help of this tool, you can speed up your workflow and improve your art and creativity. Do you understand what this technology means? Entire industry can take benefit of this. Animator, video creator, game designer, VFX artist, graphic designer, game character artist, all of them should learn this technology, guys. This cannot be ignored because this is a future. You have to learn this technology and grow with this. So let's moving on. I will explore each and every step of this 𝗬𝗵𝘁𝗍 technology and I will guide you how you can create a 3D avatar within your just few minutes or with your text or creativity. You can command this technology to create your desired 3D character. Here you can see we have this 𝗬𝗵𝘁𝗍 interface. This is so simple and easy to access. Here you can see on right top corner we have login detail. First you have to log in this website. So just click on this and you can directly log in through Gmail. And on this middle of this website you can see we have two methods to create your 3D avatar. First is generate from text and second is drop your images and generate. So first method is generate through text. You will just directly text to this technology, command this technology to create your desired character. Just write your details, features, characteristic of character, and whatever you write, whenever you design, the 3D character will generate. Second method is by using images, which is if you have any reference images or any reference idea that you have saw somewhere, just upload here an image. It will generate a very perfect 3D avatar. We will explore each method one by one. So let's start with generate from text. Here you can see, and I'm giving some broad keyword like my character should look like Tom Cruise. So I will just write there and click generate. Now you can see we have this chat window open and this is very interesting because here you can brainstorming your idea with AI agent on one-to-one conversation. So this is very important and very interesting way to create your 3D model because you can provide in-depth information about your character and avatar to get a perfect 3D model. And now here you can see this AI agent is giving some good reference also, like he has some chiseled jawline and pleasing blue eyes. You can add these details or this feature to your character. Or he's also asking for me to describe his age and occupation, so I'm just writing here his age around 40 plus. Now I think this is enough and I'm just clicking generate. Now you can see it's generating. Yeah, here it is. Now you can see it's pretty nice and so quick and result is also good. You can see our 3D character and this is a pure 3D character, guys. This you will get all message, all textures, all UV, all the information that you need to create a perfect animation, movie, games, and all of that you will get all. I will show you how to export this model to your 3D software. So before that, just explore my other method also. Just create a model by using reference images. So here just go back to this my window and I'm clicking on this second option, which is choose your images. So I click on it and I choose my image and just upload. Now you can see I press generating. Now here again, this is so quick, guys, and this results is really interesting and so realistic. You can see you can find a difference in grayscale or a color model as you compare with your reference images. So our 3D character is created. So now in the next step I will export these character, these meshes, these textures and all the topology to our 3D software. So now it's time to export your 3D character. So to export a 3D character, you have to use your credit points. When you log in for the first time, you get a 10 credit points for free. Now to get a 10 extra credit points, you have to use this promo code I'm showing on the screen, and it's also in description. Just copy and paste over here. Here on this right top corner, we have this wallet icon. So when you click on it, and here you can paste your code. So for the first 100 users, you will get 10 extra credit points. So just use these code and paste over here. You can get in total 20 credit points, and you can use these credit points to export your realistic 3D character or avatar. So for those who want to learn more and export more 3D character, want to explore more variety of character like stylized character, toony character, cartoons character, realistic characters, more different kind of textures. So for that they have some subscription plans. So here you can see, when if you are a creator, just go for $24 per month, where you get 30 credit points. Now if you are a business owner, then go for $96 per month, and you can see there are so many other benefits you can see and explore this plan. So let's moving on and export our 3D character. So to export our 3D character, you can see on this chat window, this is our export icon here. So just select it, and now you can select a resolution option like 2K or 4K. I'm selecting 4K and I just press next. Now we have two different topology options like default and metahuman. So in the default option, we can add other multiple 3D assets also. Like if you want to animate your 3D character, just select this rigged body. And if you want to add some extra 3D assets like teeth, eyes, so just select, you can select eyes and teeth of character. And if you want to animate your facial expression of character, so you can add your expression blend shape. If you want to add some extra back head texture also, so you can also add. You can select multiple option also, but the thing to notice that is every additional features of the character or assets will charge you some credit points. So make sure you have enough credit points to download all the options. So now when you select your desired, your requirement assets, so and just press pay button. Now its packing is start. So it will take some time, and you can download your packed file from here. So as we select our 4K packing, so you will download two folders, USP basic pack and USP high pack. You can see here. So this will help you to create a specific direction to your character. So now let's explore our second option, which is metahuman option. So here when you click on this meta option, and it will directly download a folder called MH high pack, and in this folder you will get all the 3D models with as important texture maps. You can download and explore all the other 3D assets as you like. So now you will get all the required 3D models. So congratulations guys, we have successfully exported our 3D character. So now it's time to import your 3D character into Unreal Engine or any 3D software. For that, you have to download Unreal Engine Chat Avatar plugin, which is free. Let's go back to our website, Chat Avatar. Now you can see on this top right corner, we have this plugin option. When you click on this, you can see there are lots of other plugin also like Unity, Blender, Maya, Cocos, Unreal. So you can download any plugin and import your character in any software. So just I'm clicking on this Unreal Engine and downloading this Chat Avatar plugin. Now just find a Chat Avatar plugin function in the plugin window here, you can see, and just enable it. Now here you can see in Unreal Engine we have this Chat Avatar import option now on this window channel. You can see here. So just click on it, and you can see it opens our Chat Avatar import interface. And as you can see, this is our imported interface of Chat Avatar in Unreal Engine. So just select your downloaded packed zip file. So I'm selecting my metahuman package and just import it. So with the help of this plugin, it automatically recognizes the mode and all the texture file in the selected package, and it will assign all the texture to a model in a specific and perfect way. Now just click next, and it will directly import it to the Unreal scene. And here you can see we have our character head model is imported. So now as you can see, this is so perfect and so realistic in a real-time lighting. So let's try our other default option where we select multiple assets also. Here when you select this default option, this is with all the other 3D assets. So you can select multiple options in this step. So just select all these options, and now just click next to proceed, and now just click import. So guys, as you can see, we have our rigged animated ready character imported in Unreal Engine. So this is so great and powerful tool to create any animated ready character. So guys, as you just press play button, now you can see we can run, we can jump, we can do anything in this real-time environment. So this is so cool. Within a few minutes, you can create an animated ready 3D character. So guys, this is 𝗵𝗵𝘁𝗏, your creative partner. You have to learn with this, you have to grow with this. So thank you so much for watching and keep learning new things, because this is our artistic field and artists are never stop learning. Keep updating yourself with new technologies, new assets, new tools, because AI is growing. You have to keep update yourself. So see you soon. Bye bye.